One of the leading gaming content and technology companies in the world, Aristocrat Leisure Limited, has reported impressive financial results for the first half of 2023. Despite the challenging market conditions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and its aftermath, Aristocrat has increased its revenue by 12.2% to $3.1 billion, driven by the strong performance of gaming products in the US and global outright sales of poker machines. According to the company's half-year results announcement, Aristocrat's gaming revenue grew by 14.7% to $2.6 billion, with a 17.9% increase in land-based gaming revenue and a 7.5% increase in digital gaming revenue. The land-based gaming segment benefited from the recovery of demand in key markets such as North America and Australia, as well as the launch of new products such as Mars X Portrait and Cash Express luxury line cabinets. The digital gaming segment continued to grow its user base and engagement across its portfolio of social casino, casual and role-playing games. One of the main drivers of Aristocrat's revenue growth was the increase in outright sales of poker machines, which rose by 31.7% to $1.1 billion. Outright sales are when Aristocrat sells its machines directly to customers, rather than leasing them or sharing the revenue with them. Outright sales offer higher margins and lower risk for Aristocrat, as well as more flexibility for customers who can choose their own game content and configuration. Aristocrat CEO and Managing Director Trevor Croker said that the company's strategy of investing in high-quality game content and technology platforms, as well as expanding its global footprint and diversifying its product portfolio, has enabled it to deliver strong results in a challenging market. He also said that Aristocrat expects to maintain its growth momentum in 2023, despite the uncertainties and volatility in the operating environment. Aristocrat Leisure Limited is a global leader in gaming content and technology, with two operating units, Aristocrat Gaming and Pixel United. Aristocrat Gaming provides land-based and online gaming solutions to customers in over 90 countries. Pixel United encompasses the Product Madness, Plarium and Big Fish Games businesses, which offer a range of mobile games across various genres. Aristocrat is listed on the Australian Securities Exchange, ASX, under the ticker symbol AL. One of the highlights of Aristocrat Leisure's financial performance in the first half of 2021 was its dividend payout. Despite the challenging market conditions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, the gaming company managed to increase its interim dividend to 30 Australian cents per share, up from 26 cents last year. This represents a 15.4% increase in dividend per share and a payout ratio of 38.05% of its earnings. The dividend increase reflects Aristocrat Leisure's confidence in its future growth prospects and its commitment to delivering shareholder value. The company has a discretionary dividend policy, which means that the board decides the level of dividends based on the company's capital allocation priorities and available franking credits. Aristocrat Leisure has a history of paying generous dividends to its shareholders, with an annual dividend of 52 cents and a current dividend yield of 1.37%. Aristocrat Leisure's dividend is also well covered by its earnings, which means that the company has enough cash flow to sustain its dividend payments. The company reported a net profit after tax of $346.0 million Australian dollars for the 6 months ended March 31, 2021, up 18.4% from the same period last year. The company attributed its strong performance to its diversified portfolio of gaming products and services, its resilient land-based business, and its growing digital segment. Aristocrat Leisure's dividend is expected to grow further in the future, as the company continues to invest in innovation and expansion across its core markets and new opportunities. The company has a positive outlook for the second half of 2021, expecting to deliver strong growth in revenue and earnings despite the ongoing uncertainty and volatility in the global gaming industry. The next Aristocrat Leisure dividend is expected to go ex on June 2, 2021 and to be paid on July 2, 2021. Aristocrat Leisure is a global gaming and technology company that operates in more than 90 countries and has over 6,000 employees. It is one of the world's leading providers of casino games, mobile games and gaming platforms. Aristocrat Leisure has a diverse portfolio of products that cater to different markets and customer preferences. Some of its popular brands include Buffalo, Lightning Link, Dragon Link, Game of Thrones and Walking Dead. Aristocrat Leisure has a strong presence in the US, where it generates more than half of its revenue. The company has been successful in delivering innovative and engaging gaming experiences to its customers in the US, both in land-based casinos and online platforms. Aristocrat Leisure has also expanded its footprint in other regions, such as Europe, Asia-Pacific and Latin America, where it offers customized solutions to meet local needs and regulations. Aristocrat Leisure has a culture of creativity, technology and innovation that drives its growth and performance. The company invests heavily in research and development, as well as acquiring and partnering with other leading gaming companies. For example, Aristocrat Leisure owns Pixel United, a business that comprises Plarium, Big Fish and Product Madness teams, which create extraordinary mobile games loved by millions. Aristocrat Leisure also leverages cutting-edge hardware and sophisticated platforms to deliver entertaining and high-performing gaming floor experiences. Aristocrat Leisure is committed to bringing joy to life through the power of play. The company's vision is to create the world's greatest gaming experience every day. Aristocrat Leisure's mission is to be the leading global provider of land-based and digital gaming solutions that entertain and inspire customers.